Maybe for some more people can fight back.
I no go come up for this life first.
Yeah, I'm not talking. I'm waiting for more people to come online. Can you hear me now? Speak up.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yeah.
So, share you do like what support levels to or where to draw them from yesterday.
What did you say? Say again. I didn't get that.
Share you like you show us like what time frame to draw the support levels on.
The time frames to draw support level.
Yeah, like the strong ones, sure.
Okay. I'll have to talk about multiple time frame analysis. But the thing is, basically, you can just support level support. You can draw what time of time frame and any time frame. But you always need to consider higher time frames. And the higher time frame you consider determines on the position with which you want to hold the trade for. Are you following?
Mm,
So let's say you want to, yeah, scalper, you just want to get into the market and out within hours, basically. You want to look at from like 1 hour time frame. From 1 hour time frame, then you scale down to 15 or 5 minutes for your entry, basically. You did. I think we should
mm.
talk about something like that. When but the trade I took this morning, my analysis started on the 1 hour time frame.
Okay.
So this is the I think we have enough people online. Let me start. Let's start the fast. So can everybody see my screen?
Mm.
And everyone can hear me clearly.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Celestine Ezekiel, can you hear me? Okay, that's continue. So today I took a sell on gold. Why did I take that sell on gold? I want to break it down. Have you guys watched the videos I sent to you? Have you guys completed that? Like all the videos?
Yes, I have.
So this explains to me how things can see trade. So this is gold 1 hour time frame. Okay? This is gold 1 hour time frame. And overall, on the daily time frame, you pull out the hello, there's this signals in the background. Am I the only one hearing that noise?
It's raining over at my side.
Please turn off your mic now. Your noise is distracting us.
Jay, turn them off now.
Can you guys hear me?
Mm.
Because I was saying, I said
Yeah, we can hear you.
gold was bullish for a while.
So
Gold,
it's very hard to hear you. I mean, is it only me?
if you only
Not just you, guy.
okay, everyone,
It's only you. It's only you.
Okay, I don't hear now, no verse.
okay. So I said gold has been bullish for a while. That means price we've been seeing an upward movement of price, especially because of the whole US China trade war thing that was going on before. But for a while, gold started turning bearish. And on my 1 hour time frame, I could see that from here, gold was creating lower lows, right? This is one high, this is one low, and that high, and that low, one high here. From here, like this, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Can you see it? Is this clear? Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me?
Mm.
Please indicate in the chat box.
Sir, please come again with the high low something.
Keep talking, mute yourself. Or okay. So as I was saying, I said this is the 1 hour time frame now, and market structure on the 1 hour time frame was giving us was initially giving us high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Can everybody see what I just drew?
That's a downtrend.
Exactly. Telling us that gold was consistently coming down. But what happened here? We can see that after gold was consistently coming down, price created price failed to create price went up, it created a high, failed to create a lower low. It could not create a low that was lower than this previous low. And what
Yes.
it went up, broke above this previous high to create a higher high, telling us that okay, price is currently in an uptrend. Are we clear on that?
Yes.
Okay. So when it broke above this previous high, it left what we call imbalance. As we put, I forgot to I include a link to imbalance and fair value gaps. I'll send it tonight. So it left what we call imbalance, and it created a lower high here. This lower line, these two highs here, I consider them to be liquidity, basically. And price is known to always price is known to always gravitate towards liquidity areas. So I was expecting price to come towards this area to grab this liquidity and even fall as far as this place because this zone here is currently unmitigated. Are you with me? Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So even though I can see that price is currently bullish, yeah, that means I'm supposed to be looking for buys. But why did I take this sell? Because after price successfully broke in this uptrend now, high, low, higher, high, it left imbalance here. Price left an imbalance here, and it created liquidity that I know is going to come and test. And I said there's a major imbalance here that I'm looking for price to also come and test. And uh, price now started forming this structure here that looks like a head and shoulder pattern. We have this high here, this high, and then we have another high here. Head, this is the head, and these are the two shoulders. And we can see if I It's around 15 minute time frame. So on our 15-minute time frame, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see it.
So you can see this is a high, this is a low, this is under high. What the market comes to do here, it created a lower low, breaking this previous low, indicating that can you see it broke below this previous low, indicating that oh, there's about to be a shift in momentum in the market and price might start coming downward. That was my first indication. Look for itself. Are you with me?
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
No, my second indication actually, because I know I told you that I know price will come back to the test these zones and this zone, these two zones, this first zone, because this was the zone that led to the break above this high here. So I'm expecting price to come and retest this zone. So this was my first indication, this zone and this zone. And then there was a shift in market structure. Price created a lower low, indicating that okay, price wants to fall down. And then it came back here, it came back to this zone. When it came back to this zone, this is known as the supply zone. If I scroll down to the 5 minute time frame, can you see how I'm combining all these time frames together? You know, I started from the 1 hour time frame. Are you guys with me? Hello?
Yes, they hear you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, with
Yes,
you.
sir.
You are following how I'm combining these time frames. I started from the 1 hour time frame. I marked out zones that I know that I first identified the market structure, understanding that price is currently in an uptrend. But I can see zones that price is supposed to test like has not.
I beg you can mute your mic now.
As I was saying, I said I could see zones that price is supposed to test like has not tested yet. So I was expecting price to come back to those zones. And what happened after identifying those three things? Number one, the market structure, uptrend. Okay, there are zones where price is supposed to test that are going to be tested. Number two, I went to 15-minute time frame, found a change of structure, notifying that oh, price is about to start coming down. Next thing is 5 minute time frame. On the 5 minute time frame, I can see another change of structure, change of market structure. You can see this is the concept. Price is going up here, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And what the price do? After creating this before this high here, otherwise known as liquidity, you can see that price there was a liquidity grab to the up part here. Price kissed above this level and then fell down to break this previous low with strong bearish candles. You can see that these candles are very strong. Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can see.
ma'am. Yes.
So if this candles indicated that there is serious bearish pressure in the market and price wants to fall. So that was why I started looking for a sell this morning in the market. And I waited for price to retrace back to this zone. The break of this previous low. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. And when it did, I waited for a candlestick confirmation on this 5 minute time frame for me to enter myself. And I targeted this, it was this low. I targeted as my first take profit level. When we're talking about risk management, I would explain how to set your profit target. But for now, in the market, it's good for you to have multiple take profit levels. You have the first one, the second one, the third one. And what do you do as price approaches this your profit level? What you do is that once price gets to your first take profit level, if you open multiple positions, the way I always do, when I'm teaching you guys how to flip, when it comes to flipping, you have to open multiple positions. You can't be flipping. You can flip with a single position, but it's not necessarily advisable. When I explain flipping in detail, you understand better. But when you open multiple positions and price gets to your first take profit level, you can either close some positions and secure from profit and then shift your stop loss in your entry point. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then after that, if price continues to proceed downward, you just continue shifting your stop loss down, following it. So if there's a reversal in price, it won't take you out at a loss anymore. When you shift your stop loss to your entry level, that's what we call break even. When I say break even your trade, it means that you're shifting your stop loss to your take profit level. So targeted this first level. But like I said, I've been expecting price to come back to this zone. So this is obviously my final take profit level. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
sir. You see that your entry here? Can
Yeah.
you please go over it? Like,
Absolutely.
was it like an order block or something that you used to enter there?
You can see another block is called another block is the last bullish candle. A very short block is the last bullish candle before an impulsive downward movement. Are you with me? Yeah, this is
Mm.
another block in this setup. Candle here. I see like that. This blue candle here with the other block. This blue candle. Can you guys see it?
Mm.
And you can see that immediately price got into that level. It's like giving us bearish candlesticks, telling us that price is about to fall. But I didn't just place this trade off all our block alone. I started analyzing from the 1 hour time frame. I gave you guys different criteria that I consider before taking this trade. Do you understand?
Mm.
I didn't just oh this particular block I'm putting it there. First thing is I tried market and I saw what price was doing, and I had expectations for price to come and be test section here, knowing that oh, price will most certainly fall. After that, I scaled to a lower time frame to look for a change in character, a change of character. And that's why I saw my 15-minute time frame. After seeing that for my 15-minute time frame, I came to the 5-minute time frame to look for an order block and another change of character to confirm my entry. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
And let me
Yes.
let me just explain two things. Let me guys now. Let's be 21. The reason flip it number one. Before we even before I start, let me make it clear. Flipping is not for everybody. I guys with me. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you. Yes.
But I was saying I think flipping is not for everybody. Flipping is quite risky. So when you're flipping, you are risking, you can risk basically all the money in your account. And how do you risk it? Let's say you have a setup like this. This setup now, for example. Can you guys hear me? Are you guys follow? Please let me know in the chat box if you are following.
Yeah, we're following now.
Okay. So this setup now, for example, I've considered everything. I've seen, oh, this and I found my entry point, my point of interest. This is my point of interest. Now I take my forecast trade and I drive towards the interest. My stop loss is just above this high, this other block. The amount of pips here to my stop loss is 46.9 pips. Are you with me?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we
Yes.
you. Yeah, with you. Yes, sir.
So now the first thing is after you've gotten you've already analyzed the market, you've seen what you're expecting, you've gotten your stop loss. What you want to do is go to this website, myfxbreak.com. You have the position calculator on this website. This is what the website looks like. Because what I like to say mostly is you come into this box and you select every your conference with USD obviously. Then here's where you type your account size, the amount of money in your account, the account you want to use. Are you following?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
then you In this next box, it's telling you the risk ratio. The risk ratio simply means how much of that account you are risking. If you want to risk half of the account, it risks 50%. If you want to risk the total amount of money, you pay 100%. And then you type the stop loss. The stop loss here was 46 pips. You type the stop loss here, and then you type the lot size you intend to use the trade. Click calculate. And you can see it can show you the maximum amount of lot size you can use on that particular trade, which is 21 position. This is using 0.01 lot size. This is 21 position. Are you guys with me?
Okay.
So when you want to flip, in that scenario now you're risking the total amount of money in that account. You go on your MetaTrader 5 and you open, you see probably flip and sell, open 21 position. So if you open 21 position and this is 1 to 4. 1 to 4, this is one which reward of 1 to 4. That means as you are risking the $97, you go $97. Your profit is going to be multiplied, it's going to be times 4. That's 97 times 4. Which means your first profit level is going to take the account from $7 to $388. Are you guys following?
Okay.
So now, after you've gotten that, let's assume you enter the trade and price got to your first profit level. You don't close your trade instantly when you're taking. You wait for more, you wait 18 months to positions. I couldn't get empty positions on this particular trade, more empty positions on this particular trade, because this very small was very important. So you can see it just came down straight. Right? You can see
Very,
now.
very important.
Exactly.
I
So
swear.
all I just did was I held all the positions I opened in the morning, I held on to them. And I was just simply trading my stop loss and following the trade. Are you with me?
Wait, so yeah, but isn't that like wasn't that like risky?
No. That's not
Because like market is very tricky.
that's the point of trading your stop loss. When you're trading your stop loss, even if market should reverse, which will take you back to imagine, let's say I place my trade now and I set my stop loss here. And then trade comes to hit my screen.
Okay.
And I shift my stop loss from there to this position.
Okay.
I'm no longer risking any money on that trade. My stop loss is already in profit. So if the market will reverse back to take out my stop loss, I'm going to be trading now from the profit. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And so it takes out the risk from that trade. So that's why I did on this trade. I was just shifting my stop loss in the direction of the trade. But in situations where
Oh, that's
the market will always for this trade will always go like this. Basically. How trades go in a downtrend, like I said, there's a high, there's a low, there's a lower high, there's a lower low, there's a lower high, there's a lower low. So what you're doing when you're flipping is that if you now get more money, to get more money out of that particular trade, let's assume this trade happened like this, and this impossible did not happen. I want every retrace them, you add more position. Are you with me? So when
okay. Yeah.
to an actual level or point of view, there's a break of structure here now. There's a break of structure here. So assuming the market will trade back into this level from here, assuming the market did this, and when it came back to this level, I would have added more sell positions here. Are you with me? So
The more sell position, right?
exactly, adding more sell positions here will increase your profit. So instead of your total profit now to be $398, you add like 5 more positions. You see that your price keeps going down, your profit keeps increasing. It goes down again, breaks the previous low. If you test it again, you add more positions, and it keeps going that way until you get the profit growth. You guys get it now.
Mm.
Yeah.
So, Gotcha, do you have any questions?
So you see, wait, you see, if it was to retrace now, what like, where would you be looking for price to turn back and to continue the downtrend? What area within this leg?
This, this area here. You know, yesterday I talked about wait and repair.
Uh-huh.
So, this is our previous day. Price goes today. If price has been traced to this point and have given us um, an obvious bearish stance that way that oh, it's next to the down and adding more volatility. Is that
Okay. Okay. Okay.
kind of like let me see. Let me just use this bad an example. Let's assume you enter this buy trade from here. The initial stop was to do this way. And I targeting you are first targeting this high. And then price goes from here like this. And we trace it back to this way, which is this previous resistance zone. You can see. What you can and that's why printing bullish candlesticks. You can add more positions there, put more buy there to follow the price as it goes upward. We get
Okay.
that's it. Do you guys have any questions?
Okay. It's about the like last classes we did. Like you haven't given us like an update whether you're going to
Oh
when they're
yeah,
going to upload the videos on YouTube.
yeah. I just sorted the whole thing out. I think I will play one video already. So I'll send you.
Oh,
I think it's on the
Uh,
video.
oh.
Yes, it's right.
sorry, excuse. I have something to ask.
Okay.
Yeah, you talked about candlestick pattern yesterday, which I don't know if we are rushing forward. You didn't talk about it, but you said we should just watch about it yesterday.
Sorry, say again. I didn't get that.
I don't know. I didn't know. I don't know if you get me. He said we talked about candlestick yesterday that we are going to touch candlestick today. So me, I'm totally lost here. Like we're just trying to catch up, but still lost, fully lost. But it's like people that are here are intermediate people already. But for we beginners, the candlestick, I don't know if there is
Yeah,
special class
yeah.
for
I,
it.
I guess we not talked about the candlestick because
Yeah,
yesterday we were supposed to talk about it yesterday, I guess.
I think we need to take that we can't think let me watch it. Can you hear me?
we haven't
No, we
hearing
didn't
you.
hear that, sir. We didn't hear that, sir. Come again, sir.
No, I said someone asked me a question about finance. Said he doesn't understand that. Well, I said I shared a link last on finance. So it's linked to a video that is being found. I was trying to explain it to the video and I think he will link to the video. I was asking him to watch the video.
Oh, okay. I guess we're supposed to go see a video on that.
Yes, exactly. You're supposed to watch.
Oh, okay. Is it on YouTube or our Telegram channel?
The video
I
is on
think.
Telegram channel. The link to the video is on Telegram channel.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
I made a
We'll go and see it.
I made a list of links, videos, different videos for different topics, and I just in the class.
Okay.
The person asking the question, I'm not sure I've answered it. I think did you watch the video? Because you don't understand like what I'm saying. So I want to know if you really want to feel that way. I must feel that way.
I too feel that way. Just feel.
maybe
Apart
like
from apart from apart from the apart from the fact that the candlestick is we have not fully understand it yet. Secondly,
Like I'm not gonna lie, like I need to hear you well. I don't see my stuff, but even though my earpiece not dey use. If I dey try go for this. Sorry if I disturb now, but
I
wait till I just.
But you know what? I'm recording this part, and once platform which creates the problem, you can watch the video and you can answer them. You have my number. You have my private number.
Your WhatsApp number.
All right.
Yeah. You think it's hard to hear me? Is that how it is for everybody?
Just today, Sha, like your voice was a little bit low, Sha.
So I call myself,
Yesterday was much better, but
Yeah.
well, let me take the recording, Sha, and see how it is. If it's good, I'll post it on it. Maybe I can watch it again. But if it's not bad, maybe I'll go right again tomorrow.
Okay.
But so you guys understand why I took this course? The reasons why I took this course.
Yeah, I understand this one.
Everybody understands
You understand that, sir?
Yeah.
You understand why I pay the
Good
trade,
evening,
sir?
sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Analyzing euro year stuff.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, the place you marked as your change of character,
Yeah.
like I'm confused about that side because I didn't really see the pullback before the change of character.
So,
Good, good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. Good evening.
Okay. Thank you for this opportunity. I wanted to ask a question. Okay. The question is, let's say we want to one wants to start our with our investment. What is the capital that you can start off with?
So our advice to start. Our advice to you guys to start with your spare part. Don't pay your cookies or your house rent like that. Like, are you?
Yeah, we are with you.
Is the cash you can afford to do.
very visual.
I think for X-Men, minimum deposit for X-Men is $10. X-Men and beer, both of them, minimum deposit for both of them is $10. So
It's $10, right?
you can deposit at people at $10. But
And
those
that's
small accounts are it's not just trading small accounts, but they will give you a thing. If you can afford,
Okay.
can you
Okay, for XNet, I think I tried. I think the total amount they are accepting so around 50,000. I don't know. For in naira, that was when I checked. I think
so
50 or 20,000 or thereabouts.
oh
$10 is not. Is it up
$10
to 20? Is it up to
In
20,000?
XNet,
$10 is about
$10
I think
is
it's 20,000, right?
16,000. $10
No,
is
it's 16
16,000.
something.
Yeah,
16
16,000.
something now.
$10 is about
Yeah. I checked.
16,400.
I think what I saw was 20,000. That's the least that you can deposit in your XNet
that,
account. I think I saw it. I tried it. The
No,
total, the least
the
I
least
think
you can
10,000.
deposit is $12, and that $12 is like 18,000 or
It's
more,
$12,
but it's
right?
not it's not up
18,000.
to 20,000.
Okay, 18,000.
And I
Yeah,
think K plus now
okay,
almost
50.
20K now. Now almost 20K.
My guy, you sharp. Almost 20K. I saw it, but I tried it
Almost
and I
20K.
was saying that.
I thought the reason
Yeah.
for like
But me continue in class. You know, don't distract, I beg.
I'm just hearing no
Sorry,
No
sorry,
verse. No verse. Sorry. Sorry.
sorry, sir.
Sorry.
Sorry, sir.
because I was saying
Sorry, sir.
I think minimum deposit is $10. But now I'm hearing it's $10. So $10, $12, just $12. The whole point is don't trade your going to the house rent. Trade what you can afford to do and make sure you practice when you trade. What I just explained to you now, look out for it in the market, look for entries like this. Entries like this will help you reduce your risk. That means like your stop. You can see the stop loss on this will work. Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes.
right.
So for those that intend to start with small amount, $12, $15, $50. Practice very well, then look for a day like practice.
Very, very
Yes.
clear, sir. That one will stick in our head well, well.
So someone was asking me a question about the change of structure as well.
Yeah.
I think someone was asking me a question about the change of structure as well. This is another this is a high. This is another high. And price goes to low, this low, before season, strong very strongly.
Yes.
I don't get that. Is that what you were asking about? Is that what you were asking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see this is a low. This is one high. This is another low. This is another high. And you can see that
Hi.
just this before
And
season broke this two low, telling us that the very pressure is very, very strong and price wants to come downward.
Yes, sir.
All right. So do you have any other question for the top end?
According to those videos, that video you posted about weak high, strong high. This one that you mark with green something there.
Yeah.
Is it a weak high?
It's strong high, but we took out the previous.
This is strong high.
But what I
The
marked,
next one,
here is the other block.
no, the one you mark is strong high. The one before that one I'm talking about.
The other block, that was the mark, Tabi.
This one.
That one.
Are you know this
Yes. No. The second one.
This one.
That's a weak high. Yeah.
This one is a strong high, but we took out this low.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Did you get that?
Okay.
So if we don't have any
problem.
questions, I'll be ending the meeting now. Then you guys, if you don't watch the video that I think on the book, watch it. I'm just to include more tonight, and I will send the link to for those that missed the market structure part. I'll send the link to the link to I can't watch that. Like that was basically the thing telling me part. I'll upload you the video, this video of this class for 3 years and let you. Those are joint groups can go about it. When you cannot see question, but again, very different. Whenever I come around and see you, I can apply. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I'll see you guys again maybe Friday or Saturday.
All right,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Yeah.
sorry, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Someone wants to ask a
Sir,
question.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Maybe like anytime you have like a pair that you want to trade on, you can just maybe send us so that we can just practice some demo with you and give you
Signal.
our feedback.